All right, guys, welcome to DA question number 1. This is part of the worksheet number 1 DA practice. And I'm just going to kind of go one question at a time, talk through some of the questions, kind of go through how you should think about them, and then the process for answering different types of DA questions. So question number 1, the provider has ordered for enoxaparin, which is Lovenox, 1 milligram per kilogram subcutaneous injection. The patient weighs 176 pounds. Convert the patient's weight to kilograms. All right, so we have a ton of information in this question. First of all, we have a medication, we have a weight, we have a dose, we have an injection style / type, route of entry, all that stuff. Then we get a patient weight in pounds, and the question's asking us to convert the weight to kilograms. So when I'm reading this question, the first thing I would do is figure out exactly what the question is asking. And for this, where we have so much information, which is very, very common in NCLEX style questions, part of the test taking strategy is to really get rid of what you don't need. And so for here, all I need to know is the patient's weight. They want us to convert that weight to kilograms. So essentially, we can get rid of all this information. It's unnecessary to answer this question, which leaves us with what we have, what we want. Two things, we know how to find that answer. So this is basically a straight up conversion question. So what do we do first? We write down what we want. We want kilograms. That's going to be the first half of our equation. Kilograms equals, and then we're going to start doing our conversion. So right now we know that a kilogram is worth 2.2 pounds. That's a straightforward conversion. And we know that we want what our first unit that we want at the top because we don't want to cancel it out. So we're going to start with 1 kilogram over the conversion rate, which is 2.2 pounds. This means that in every 1 kilogram, there's 2.2 pounds. And now we want to cancel out those pounds. So what do? We multiply and then we put pounds at the top. That is how we cancel out those pounds and are left with just kilograms. So we have 176 pounds, and that's from right here. And now we know that when we go forward and we do this calculation, we know that these pounds will cancel out. And then we're just left with the kilograms, which is what we want. So we can go ahead and do this multiplication, which is 1 times 176 over 2.2. which equals, I believe, 80 kilograms. And now before we finish, we just want to make sure that what we got is equal to what we want. So we wanted kilograms. In the end of our multiplication, we got kilograms. So we know that that answer is correct.